Alright students, in this particular video I will show you how to use your search engines. Let's look at the Google search engine first and foremost. This is a simple keyword search engine. Now as soon as you go to the Google homepage, you will see a simple keyword box that is given here, and you can type anything that you are looking for. Say for instance, if you want to look for computers, you just type the word computers and click on the search button over here. Automatically it has shown you that these are the results that were returned the last time the computers were searched for. Now, when Google returns the results that you are looking for, it will display in order which websites were visited the most when somebody searched for the word computers. So this is how Google returns its search results. It looks at the website and it keeps a history of the websites that were visited the most number of times based on certain keywords. All right, so that is one way you can look at the results. And the second most visited website regarding computers was Wikipedia. So you can click on that and look for it. Now the next thing you need to know is, what do I mean by the other categories when you are looking at your search engine? So when I write computers, let me type it again. These are the categories that are mentioned over here. So click on more, you can look at videos, you can even look for books, you can look at blogs. All right, any other thing, you can look at images even for computers. If I click on images, so basically you can see all the images regarding all the computers. If I want to find out about something else, say for instance speakers, and if I type there, and still on the image search you can see all the speakers that are there. So any particular device, any particular hardware that you come across in this course, and if you're not familiar with it, say for instance solid state drive, if you do not know about this particular um, device, then you can just type that there and you can see these are the solid state drives. And I'm sure most of you have already seen some of these uh, or probably are using one of these. This is a normal hard disk drive. All right, and this one here in particular, and it's comparing with this is the normal hard disk drive, this is a solid state drive, and this is a very good diagram that shows hard disk drive, HDD, solid state drive. So you can, just by looking at the image, you can learn quite a lot if you do a Google image search. All right, so that is the most widely used search engine, Google, because it returns the results in different categories. If you want to look at websites, sorry, and you can click on images, or you can even go to map, shopping, patents, and look at videos. If I choose videos, then if you want to talk about videos, then here are all the videos, and normally it will return the videos from all over the world, all over the place, all over the websites. So if you want to learn more about any particular, anything in particular, anything, you just type it over here, choose videos, and it will give you results regarding videos. So learning is so much easy, so much fun if you're using Google. Now let's look at some other search engines. Let's look at the Yahoo search engine itself. If I type on the address over here, yahoo.com, so look at yahoo.com for instance. Now Yahoo has got, it's referred to as both as a keyword search engine and index or directory search engine. Directory means you can see the labels over here, they are indexed. So if you want to go to mail, if you want to look at news, you can click on news and it will display everything about news. And if you want to look for particular news, say for instance if you want to know about, say, Fiji, let's say for instance, Fiji Times or Fiji earthquake, Fiji news, Fiji Islands, Fiji sun, you can see everything about the news will appear over here. Say for instance if you want to know about Australia, so again everything about Australian news appears here. Why? Because you have chosen that category, news, from the indexes. So it says Yahoo News. So again Yahoo has a very neat way of organizing things in its search engine. It has grouped everything, so that's why we call it index search engine. Everything is indexed very easily, and you can go back if you do not want news. If you want to go to sports, if I type sports, currently rugby league is being played, so if I want to type rugby league, Rugby League World Cup, Australian Rugby League, National Rugby League. If you want, you can be more specific and type Rugby League World Cup. So you can look for any sports. Normally, Yahoo is, remember, America based, so everything regarding sports, they will by default show everything American over here. So, like you can see NFL, MLB, this is Major League Baseball, NBA, National Basketball Championships, All right, all these are basically um, American sports. So if you want, you have to be more specific which particular sports you want to look for. Again, you can go to home, and if you do not like any of these category search or index search, you can again use the keyword search engine. Just type, say for instance, like we were looking for computers in the previous one. So just type computers, click on enter or press enter, and everything about computers, the results are returned. And again, with the Yahoo, you can also look for images or videos over here, just like you did previously with Google. So either use Yahoo or Google. You can also go to another search engine. Say for instance, by default, some of your campuses have bing.com. So Bing again has got a simple categories, but it is, remember, a keyword search engine. You can type your search engine like that, sorry, the search request like that, and press enter, and it will result the images. Again, Bing will return results just like pretty much what Google does. So either use Bing, Yahoo, or Google. The results are pretty much the same, but Yahoo has got a neat way of organizing things. Remember that much. So these are the basic search engines. Now, if you want to look for any particular search engine, say for instance, meta search engines. So in your unit 2, you have learned about meta search engines. So sorry, not there. Type over here on the Google homepage. You type meta search engines. Spelling of meta search should be separate. Meta search engines, press enter, and you can click on this. If you want, you can, what are they, 2-minute SEO YouTube, so search engine optimization. Look at meta search engine. You can watch this video. You can read a lot about meta search engines, and it says 51 meta search engines for effective searching on the internet. So if you click on this particular link, it will show you 51 meta search engines. So that is one of your tasks in your chapter 2, that you need to learn about meta search engines. What are they and which ones are you going to use? In the previous video, I showed you one meta search engine, which was historynet.com, which is given as one of the examples in your chapter 2. So please go over that. The other one is Dogpile, web crawler. All these are meta search engines, so take note of them, and you can easily find out what it actually does. All right, so thank you for watching this video. And a quick recap: remember, search engines are basically programs within your browser that allows you to search for anything that are there on the internet basically. And some search engines are, remember, categorized, just like Yahoo. That means they are called index search engine or directory search engine. And the other search engines, they just provide you a search, a keyword option, where you type your keyword or even a phrase, and you can either look for images or videos or anything in particular. You can easily narrow down your search. So start searching, or you can say start googling, all right, or start binging. It's entirely up to you which search engine you prefer to use, which one is easier for you to manage, which one is easier for you to look for. So start using the search engine effectively. Thank you.